What does it mean when a machine starts telling human stories? Not with code, but with a camera in its hands? We're crossing the line. Boston Dynamics Atlas robot just landed a job no one saw coming. A filmmaker. Atlas has stepped onto film sets, operating cameras with inhuman precision, capturing dangerous shots no human could attempt, and delivering perfect takes every single time. But it gets even better. By the end of this video, you'll understand how robotic cinematography works, why Hyundai's bet on Atlas changes everything, and what the electric Atlas reveals about our automated future. First, let's watch Hollywood's newest camera operator at work. Lights, camera, Atlas. The film industry's newest cinematographer doesn't need a chair with its name on it. It stands 5 feet 9 inches, never tires, and holds a Canon EOS C400 with perfect stability. Boston Dynamics' advanced humanoid robot, now demonstrating its filmmaking potential through a groundbreaking collaboration with WPP and Canon that blends robotics with creative vision. Atlas brings unique capabilities to film sets through its 28 precisely controlled joints, which allow movements impossible for human operators. The video shows Atlas repeatedly execute complex camera motions, maintaining perfect stability while walking sideways, holding heavy camera rigs in awkward positions for multiple takes, or performing precise tracking shots with micrometer-level consistency. Atlas can lift 20-kilogram rigs, hold them in awkward positions, maintain perfect balance, and reposition them flawlessly, explains Alberto Rodriguez, Boston Dynamics Director of Robot Behavior. These abilities prove particularly valuable for visual effects work and product filming, where shot consistency is critical. The partnership addresses key production challenges. Atlas can operate in hazardous environments, near active geological sites like volcano, in extreme weather, or other dangerous locations where human crews would face unacceptable risks. Its advanced balance systems, developed through years of mobility research, maintain steady shots on uneven terrain that would challenge traditional equipment. Behind the scenes, WPP's training process leverages NVIDIA's Omniverse and Cosmos platform to create realistic virtual environments where Atlas practices complex shots. The system goes beyond simple movement programming, teaching the robot cinematographic principles like maintaining focus through focal length changes and adjusting for parallax effects. Director Brett Danton notes Atlas's unique value. The robot performs moves humans physically can't, like walking forward while turned sideways. But its real advantage is perfect repeatability, getting identical results across multiple takes. This precision proves invaluable for advertising work, where products or backgrounds may need replacement between identical shots. WPP's Perry Nightingale emphasizes the creative potential. This technology expands storytelling possibilities, allowing us to capture perspectives and environments we couldn't previously access. The collaboration demonstrates how robotic capabilities can enhance rather than replace human creativity, handling physically demanding or repetitive tasks while filmmakers focus on artistic direction. This approach is seen as an evolution similar to how drones expanded storytelling capabilities in the industry. What once required expensive helicopter shoots can now be done more affordably and flexibly, with drones enabling dynamic aerial shots and reducing production costs. Robots like Atlas are poised to further transform the industry. As production teams explore Atlas's applications, from extreme location shooting to precision product work, the partnership points toward a future where robotics and human creativity combine to push visual storytelling in new directions. While Atlas reshapes Hollywood, an even bigger transformation is brewing 9,000 miles away in South Korea. Hyundai Motor Group, which acquired Boston Dynamics in 2021, is preparing the largest-scale robotics deployment in manufacturing history. Their playbook? Turn factories into proving grounds for the next industrial revolution. The strategy unfolds in 3 acts. First, spot robots are already patrolling Hyundai's most hazardous environments. At POSCO's steel plants, these 4-legged inspectors brave 1,200 degrees Celsius furnace rooms, using thermal imaging to spot microfractures invisible to human eyes. Their secret weapon? Boston Dynamics Orbit software, which analyzes thousands of thermal scans to predict equipment failures before they happen. Act 2 begins in 2025, when Atlas enters production lines. Hyundai's initial focus: parts handling. The hydraulic Atlas can lift 44-pound engine components with sub-millimeter precision, working tirelessly in spaces too cramped for traditional machinery. "We're not just replacing human labor," explains Hyundai VP Jae-hoon Chang. "We're reinventing workstation ergonomics from the ground up." With 30% more torque than its hydraulic predecessor and swappable end effectors, this model can transition from welding to wiring without pause. Its AI-driven movement library learns from every task, meaning each robot in Hyundai's planned fleet of thousands will make the entire system smarter. The numbers tell the story. Hyundai's $21 billion investment includes $6 billion earmarked for robotics. They're betting big on a $38 billion humanoid market by 2035. But here's what excites engineers most. These robots aren't confined to auto plants. Boston Dynamics CEO Robert Plater reveals talks with hospitals, construction firms, and even space agencies. As the electric Atlas prepares for its 2025 debut, one question lingers. When machines can build machines, where does human ingenuity go next? The answer might surprise you, and it's coming sooner than anyone expected. The robotics world stood still when Boston Dynamics unveiled its all-electric Atlas in April 2024. This wasn't just another iteration. It represented a fundamental reimagining of humanoid robotics. Gone are the noisy hydraulics of its predecessor, replaced by whisper-quiet electric actuators that deliver more torque while consuming less energy. What makes this next-generation Atlas truly remarkable are its three breakthrough capabilities. First, its enhanced strength-to-weight ratio allows it to manipulate irregular objects weighing up to 55 pounds. Think bulky automotive parts or industrial equipment that would challenge even the strongest human workers. As Boston Dynamics CTO Aaron Saunders notes, "We've moved beyond simple lifting to dynamic manipulation of awkward loads in real-world conditions." Second, its redesigned articulated spine and limbs provide unprecedented flexibility. Where the hydraulic Atlas could perform impressive gymnastics, the electric version adds practical applications. Imagine a robot that can crawl under machinery to perform repairs, then stand to install components overhead, all without tool changes. In 2025, it also demonstrated advanced crawling and running skills, powered by reinforcement learning and human motion capture data. Third, and perhaps most importantly, its advanced perception system. Multiple high-resolution cameras combined with LiDAR and depth sensors give Atlas human-like spatial awareness. It can now identify partially obscured tools on cluttered workbenches or navigate through crowded factory floors with uncanny precision. This year, it also flawlessly executed a complex pick-carry-place-repeat task, adjusting its grip and motion in real time. But don't think this means Atlas has lost its flair. That now iconic backflip? In 2025, it nailed a synchronized version, even recovering smoothly from a slight hiccup mid-celebration. The robot's ability to perform complex acrobatics isn't for show only. You see, it demonstrates the same balance and recovery algorithms that let it operate in chaotic, real-world environments. Whether it's slipping on an oily factory floor or recovering from an unexpected impact, Atlas adapts instantly. The implications are profound. The same Atlas unit might install car seats in the morning, conduct quality inspections in the afternoon, and train new employees via demonstration in the evening. This versatility could redefine how we think about industrial automation. Last but not least, Boston Dynamics isn't only pushing technological boundaries, it's also shaping the future of robotics policy. In March 2025, the company brought Atlas and Spot to Capitol Hill, joining forces with industry leaders like Tesla and Agility Robotics to advocate for a national robotics strategy. Their message was clear: without strategic investment and ethical guidelines, the U.S. risks losing ground in the global robotics race. The stakes are high. While Atlas's capabilities, from automotive logistics to hazardous environment navigation, are undeniable, its price tag remains steep. Estimates suggest each unit costs between $100,000 and $140,000 to purchase, with leasing options in the six figures. That's where policy comes in. Boston Dynamics and its allies are pushing for tax incentives, federal training programs, and increased R&D funding to accelerate adoption and drive costs down. But innovation is only one part. Ethics are also in front and center. Boston Dynamics has been a vocal supporter of the Responsible Robotics Act in Massachusetts, which bans weaponizing general-purpose robots. Weaponization undermines public trust, says Brendan Schulman, VP of Policy and Government Relations. Our goal is to ensure robotics serve society, not endanger it. The proposed national strategy goes beyond funding. It calls for a dedicated federal office to coordinate robotics development, ensuring the U.S. keeps pace with competitors like China, where state-backed investments are fueling rapid advancements. Unitree G1s is literally advancing with punches and kicks. As Boston Dynamics refines its next-gen models, one thing is certain: the robots are coming. The question is, will policy keep up? And what happens when these machines move from factories to our everyday lives? The answers may define the next decade of technological progress. So, should robots handle dangerous work? Will they change creative industries? I want to hear your take in the comments. And if you're as fascinated by this robotic revolution as I am, hit subscribe, because this story is just getting started.